What's up guys, my name's Rob Hill and welcome to Quarantine Cooks. On today's episode we're taking a look at spaghetti aglio e olio. This dish originated in Naples and consists of lightly sautéed garlic and red chili flakes, along with fresh parsley and optionally a squeeze of lemon juice. The ingredients for today's dish are garlic, some high quality extra virgin olive oil, fresh or dried spaghetti, although linguine works equally well, a large bunch of fresh parsley and dried red chilies. The first thing we're going to do is crush our garlic, after which we're going to slice it very thinly. The reason we slice it so thin is so that it cooks and almost caramelizes quickly and infuses the oil with a delicate garlic flavour. At this point my camera decided to not focus properly, but you can still see the baseline of how thinly the garlic is sliced. Putting the garlic aside, the next step is to chop our parsley. We're going to bunch it up into a ball and then shred it roughly, then go over it with a knife a couple more times or until you reach an even spread of finely chopped herb. It's really all personal preference on how you chop your parsley, but I like it a little thinner because I'm a fan of huge chunks of parsley running through my food. Next up is our dried red chilies. We're going to chop these into small chunks, including the seeds if you want some extra spice. While we're prepping the rest of our ingredients, we're going to set down our pasta into a pan of heavily salted water and set to boil. Once everything's all ready to go, we tip our olive oil into a pan and add our garlic slices. We're going to bring this up onto a medium-low heat just until the garlic begins to toast and caramelise. At this point we add our chopped dried chilies and lightly saute with the garlic until fragrant. Next we're going to remove our oil from the heat and add a cup or so of our pasta water. This is going to help our sauce emulsify and bind to the pasta once it is added. Mix the pasta water through the oil, then use a pair of tongs to transfer the spaghetti from the water into our sauce. Don't worry about straining all the water off it because if, like me, you didn't add enough water to the oil, this will help to complete the sauce. Stir the pasta through the sauce until everything is mixed to your satisfaction, then throw in all of your chopped parsley. Once again, work this through the sauce until everything is well combined. Personally, I like to add the juice of half a lemon. Squeeze in before serving, as the sharp tang of citrus helps to cut through the richness from the oil and heat from the chilies and produce a fresh, rounded flavour. To serve, we're simply going to twist the spaghetti around our tongs to form a loose nest and place in a bowl. And there we have it. Spaghetti aglio e olio, a fresh, simple and delicious Italian pasta dish made with readily available ingredients. This dish can additionally be seasoned with extra parsley on top to taste and should not need any extra salt as we heavily salted the pasta water before cooking. Thank you all for watching, and a massive props to Reece Turnbull who made, mixed and mastered the music used in today's video. If you like the track I used today, his social media and Soundcloud links will be in the description below. Once again, thanks everyone for watching, please subscribe, leave a like and any feedback in the comments, and I hope to see you on the next episode of Quarantine Cooks.